What makes a coffee grinder expensive? Coffee grinder expense factors. Construction. High-quality materials like stainless steel or aluminum contribute to the cost, ensuring durability and resistance to wear. Blade quality. Expensive grinders use durable materials like titanium or ceramic for blades, ensuring longevity and better grind results. Consistency. A good grinder should produce consistent grinds, crucial for brewing quality coffee. Durability. More expensive grinders often have larger capacities, durable blades, and burrs, ensuring a longer lifespan. Features. Advanced features like auto shutoff, speed settings, and various grind mechanisms may contribute to the cost. Size and shape impact. The size of the grinding chamber and the shape of burrs affect grind consistency and flavor. Coffee expert essentials. Quality grinder. A crucial investment for better tasting coffee. Brewing method. Finding a method that suits your preferences. Quality beans. High-quality beans enhance the overall coffee experience. Impact of grinder on coffee taste. Size. Larger grinding chambers produce a finer grind, enhancing flavor consistency. Shape. Conical burr grinders provide a more even grind, resulting in a less bitter and stronger cup.